Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to OKX wallet. To begin, understand that you are essentially importing your existing MetaMask account into the OKX wallet. This allows you to manage your assets from both interfaces. The primary method involves securely obtaining your secret recovery phrase or a private key from your MetaMask wallet. Always prioritize security and ensure you are in a private setting when handling these sensitive credentials. Now let's export the necessary information from MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask browser extension and log into the account you wish to connect. Click on the three dots next to your account name, then select Account Details. From there, you will find an option to export private key or reveal secret recovery phrase. Choose one, enter your password, and carefully copy the displayed information. Remember, this key grants full access to your funds. Next, we'll import this information into your OKX wallet. Open your OKX wallet browser extension. Look for the Add Wallet or Connect Wallet option, and then select Import Wallet. You will be prompted to enter your secret recovery phrase or private key. Paste the information you copied from MetaMask into the designated field. After successfully importing, you will need to set a new, strong password for this account within your OKX wallet for enhanced security. Finally, verify that your connection was successful. Check your OKX wallet to ensure all your MetaMask assets and transaction history are now visible. This confirms the successful import. Remember, your secret recovery phrase and private keys are the master keys to your funds. Never share them with anyone, and be wary of phishing attempts. For ultimate security, consider transferring significant assets to a hardware wallet, providing an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.